Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, I'm Masood back with some advanced tips and tricks of Excel. In this lesson today, I'm going to show you 5 tips and tricks. So our first trick is how to insert a blank row below each of these names. I have some data. Let's say you have thousands of records. Okay, how you can do that with a small trick. Okay, so first of all, what we will do, if you usually do normally, you just right click here and you click enter. Okay, do like this. But if you have thousands of records, it's time consuming, right? Sorry about that. So what we will do, I will show you a quick tip. So just enter here some numbers, 2, 4, even numbers. Okay, then copy it down until your data finishes up to here. Then you put here odd numbers. Then copy it down for some blank records. Okay, then go on the top, select all. Okay, then click on the sort. Okay, then select the column, B column. This is the B column. You select the B column and cells value smallest to the largest. Click OK. See, now you have got all the blank rows below the each filled row. Okay, so there is another way you can do if you have a small data. What you can do, just so let's say you want to put empty rows from here. So click here, then click control button and click here. 1, 2, 3. Let's say you want the empty rows below these rows. Just click like this by control and press right click here and click insert. So you will have also this way you can do it. Okay, so our second trick today is, let's say you want to enter serial numbers. Okay, for example, let's say you want to enter 500 from 1 to 5. So the old method, you can just put 1, 2, 3 and drag it down, but I will show you a new method where it is available in the new office. So just what you have to do, just type a formula equal to sequence. How many numbers you need? For example, you need 200 serial number. Okay, just press enter. See, now we have got all the 500 serial numbers entered. Okay, fine. Okay, our third trick today is, let's say you want to enter all the dates, like for example from 1 to 31 in a column. Let's say we'll try for October. Okay, October we have 31 days. Okay, I'll use the same formula, equal to sequence, then press the tab key, and we have 31 days, right? So put here 31 days, then comma, we don't need column, so put another comma, starting date. So you just put here 1 dash whatever format you want, OCT October 2022, and close inverted commas and close parenthesis and press enter. Okay, now this another trick in this. Now it's showing some numbers because dates are identified as number in Excel. Okay, let us select all this and I will show you one shortcut. Press Control Shift and number 3 key. So you got the formatted days from starting from 1 until 31. Nice. I hope you like this trick. Okay, friends, this is fourth tip for Excel, where we are going to see how we can highlight duplicate values if you have thousands of or millions of records in your Excel sheet. Let's say, for example, I have some data in column A. So first you highlight the column, then go to Home tab and click on Conditional Formatting and click Highlight Cells and click Duplicate Values. Okay, now click OK. Now you have got duplicate values highlighted. See here 102, 102, 1025. These are all highlighted. For example, let's say you want to filter only the highlighted cells. How can you do that? So for this, you just click here on the filter, sort by highlighted this color. Okay, or what you can do also, click on the filter and just you want only this color, filter by cell color. Okay, this is done now. Okay, I hope you like this tip also. Let's go to the next tip, last tip, tip number 5. Okay, friends, this is the last tip, tip number 5. Here I'm going to show you how you can format multiple sheets in one go. Okay, so let's say we have now 5 sheets, right? So we need to format these headings in all the sheets in one time. We don't want to go in one by one sheet and do it. So for that, what we can do, just press the first sheet, okay, and press shift key on your keyboard and select the last sheet. Okay, then click here on this first cell, and let's say we want to increase the fonts. Okay, then we want to fill the cell with this color, and we want to auto fit this. Okay, so now let's see, put it in the alignment, center alignment. Okay, or maybe you want to make it bigger like that. Whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, now let's see the other sheet. See, this is done. I hope you like this trick also. Okay, friends, so that was the last tip and tricks for our second video, where I showed you in the last how you can format multiple sheets. Now I will show you one bonus tip. Let's say you want to copy the same sheet, either this or this, any sheet. You want to make a copy of this sheet. So how you can do it? You just press the control key on your keyboard and drag the mouse button to the right or left, wherever you want, and just release the mouse. Here you have the exact same copy of that, and now you can rename it whatever you want. So I'll show you one more time. Press control key on the keyboard and drag the mouse and release it on the right hand side or left hand side, wherever you want. So here's the bonus tip for you. So see you in the next video with some more advanced tips and tricks. Till then, goodbye. Assalamu alaikum.